What up, and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. This is a 5-minute PHP series where I teach and explain PHP concept only in 5 minutes. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So let's continue. Previously, what we did, we just displayed something on the screen, and this is what we have displayed. Okay, just like any other languages, PHP has got variables. What are variables? Variables are small storage containers where in any programming language you use to store something. For instance, we can store this string in a variable. How can we do that? Let's just copy it here. Copy it here, and now say we give a name to this variable. Let's say text to display. It's a very long variable name, but it works. And then from there we assign this string in this variable. So what does this mean in PHP? This just simply means that we are telling the computer to reserve a space for us under this word, which is a container we want to put something. So this equal sign, we are assigning, we are taking what is on the left hand side, taking it to the right hand side so that it can be inside there. And then what are we going to do with it? What's it's in the right hand side? Let's just try to display it. Then we copy this variable, and then we paste it. Go back to the browser, research. Obviously we are not going to see some sort of a change because we didn't modify the string. So let's be sure that the string that is being displayed is a modified one. And then from then, this is what we are displaying now as a variable. Let's see. Voila, as you can see that now we are displaying the modified one. So what we can do here, let's talk about this echo. This word echo in PHP will help you to display something on screen. So whenever you want to display something on screen, you use echo. What do you display on screen? You can display a string on the screen, not a number. Let's just quickly test that if maybe displaying 5 will work. Seemingly it looks like it won't have a problem, but let's just check and see. I haven't done that before. Okay, as you can see that it works 100%. Okay, let me just delete this one and test this. Okay, so guys, it looks like obviously you can echo a number. I haven't done that in my entire life. It was my first time, so I'm also learning. So what we have learned now, we have created let me just undo. We have created a variable, and then we have echoed it, we have displayed it on the HTML page, and that was it. So let's continue. Since we are already talking about numbers and displaying numbers, let's just talk about numbers. Now let's assign a number to a variable. Let's say it's 21. So not only we can assign strings to a variable, we can also assign a number. So once we've assigned this number, let's display it on screen also. So let's display the number on screen. What I'm going to do, I'm going to comment this code so that I cannot see it. Comment also this one. So this is the number, and then let's display it on screen. Okay, we have displayed 21. How can we be sure if this is 21? Let's do something about this 21 before we end the video. Let's add another number here, 21 plus 9, and see what will happen. 21, this number that is in here, plus 9, and see what will happen. Okay, I'm supposed to have sorry, this is a wrong syntax. Sorry about that, even though I'm supposed by now to have already stopped the video. Let's quickly fix that. Maybe I'm in a hurry. So what we want to do, if we want to work inside this number, this is what we do. We say number, the number that we already had, is equal to what? Equal to that number, yes, and what? And plus 9. This is the correct way of doing it. I just noticed that I was in a hurry to quickly wrap up the code, to wrap up the tutorial. So this is the right way to do it. What's going on here? You are assigning this number 21 to this variable, yes. In the same variable, you are overwriting, you are deleting what was here, which is this 21. You are deleting it, but at the moment it's not deleted until we execute this statement. So we are going to overwrite it. So what we're gonna do, we are going to take the same number, which is 21, add 9 to it, and then we overwrite it and we save it on num1. Why it happens this way? Because programming languages or the programming engine execute from right to left. It doesn't start from here and delete the number because there is nothing to assign. So it always starts from left. 9 plus a number, it's 30, and then it assigns that here. Then let's run it and see. Okay, what can we learn from this? Do not be in a hurry. Otherwise, I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. Please make sure that you subscribe.